Hello everyone, this is Kalsoom Hussain with Discussion 1, where I'll be giving an introduction and answering some questions to some of the course content. So the first question is, why did you select this course? And I selected this course because it was an interest of mine. I believe that lifestyle choices begin at an early age, and if we were taught how to eat healthy, we can carry this information on to adulthood. I would also like to understand more about the nutrition policies that are practiced in the schools. Some expectations that I have for this course involve expanding my knowledge of what I already learned throughout the program about childhood obesity and childhood nutrition. And I also hope to attain a better understanding of policies and nutrition programs that are currently being practiced in schools. For the application to professional life, I would like to use the extra knowledge for a future career of working with children. And because early childhood nutrition is so important, I would like to consider working in school districts to possibly help promote healthy policy. So just some of the connections that we had with other courses in the program, I included lifestyle nutrition, health communication, and nutrition epidemiology. So first, in lifestyle nutrition, we learn nutrition throughout the stages in life, and we discussed we went into great detail about discussing early childhood nutrition as well as adolescent nutrition. And in health communications, we learned about different communication programs that were targeted for a certain audience. And we also came out with a project that we actually used to create based on the information given. So we basically had a target audience that we had, and then we had to create a program for that specific audience. And for us, we use different social media outlets for adolescents that would target their specific interests. And in nutrition epidemiology, we learned that monitoring and surveillance research informs policy.